Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says, change the equation 10 to the power of 2 equals w from exponential form to log form. All right, so how do we change this equation, which is in exponential form, to log form? Here's a diagram to help us with this. So our equation here is in this form, and we want to change it to log form. So let's go ahead and bring down our equation and identify the pieces. So the first thing I always tell my students to identify is the base. So in this case, 10 is our base. So let's go ahead and label that. So that means our base equals 10. All right, and then next we want to identify this here. So this here is w, which ends up being, this is really x, which is our argument. So I'm going to go ahead and identify that. The w is our argument of the log. All right, and lastly we have this guy, the 2, which is the exponent. All right, so that is our exponent. All right, so now we're just going to go backwards here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a little arrow to the left here in green. So we're going to have log base. So our base is 10. So it's going to be log base 10. I'll write the 10 even though you don't really have to write it. And then our argument is w. So that's this guy here. So it's log base 10 of w. And then equals y, which is our exponent here. So notice y is the exponent. So our exponent is 2. So we just set equal to 2. And that is our equation in log form. Now, a good way to test to make sure that you did this correctly, or to check it, is basically to change it back to exponential form. So if I change it back to exponential form, remember we start with the base and we raise it to here and set it equal to the argument. So it would be 10 raised to the 2 equals w, which is what we have here. So that tells us that we've done this process correctly. We have changed from exponential form to log form. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.